Newton le Willows railway station was built in 1845 and opened by the London North Western Railway, originally named Newton Bridge. It was renamed to Newton le Willows in June of 1888. When first opened, it was also on the main LNWR line from London to Preston and Scotland, what is now the West Coast Main Line, thanks to a number of company mergers and acquisitions. The former North Union Railway branch from Parkside Junction, east of the new station, to Wigan North Western had opened back in 1832, with the completion of the north to west curve around Loughton on the 1st of January 1847 by the Grand Junction Railway. This had been allowed through running to commence from London Euston to Birmingham New Street via the original Newton Junction, the modern-day Earlstown, and then over the L&M and onwards to Wigan and then north from that date. Within 3 years, however, the heavily congested section of the L&M through the station was bypassed from the north to south traffic with the opening of a cut-off line from Winwick Junction to Goulburn, though local stopping trains between Warrington and Wigan continued to call thereafter. The station was also well served by trains between Manchester Exchange and Liverpool Lime Street, many of which were routed via Leigh, and also to Chester General via Warrington and the Birkenhead Joint Railway. The connections of the West Coast Main Line also provided a useful diversionary routes for trains to Preston and beyond from Manchester and Liverpool. These were utilised by British Rail when they set up a motor rail terminal at the station in the 1960s, which offered through trains to Stirling and Inverness and to St Austell. The station avoided the Beeching Acts in the 1960s, though the Warrington to Wigan local lines along the West Coast Main Line ended in 1969 along with services to Leigh. The motor rail terminal closed in the early 1980s as British Rail cut back the number of routes on offer across the network, though the sidings into it were not finally removed until August of 2013. So we'll get started here at Newton le Willows with 175110. Working the 0931 Transport for Wales service from Llandudno to Manchester Airport. Running 12 minutes late for Northern is 195127. Working the 0927 Northern service of Leeds to Chester via Warrington Bank Quay. Next to arrive into the station 5 minutes late is 802203, working the 0940 Transpennine Express service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. Next round in the corner is 323232, running 7 minutes late with the 0948 Northern service from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street. Next out to depart is 195017. Working the 0957 Northern service from Chester to Leeds via Manchester Victoria and Bradford Interchange. Big old filthy bugger next out in the form of 319384. Working the 1001 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Crewe via Manchester Airport. Next around the corner, arriving 5 minutes early, is 175116, working the 1017 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Airport to Holyhead. Next train out for departure is 802214, working the 1013 Transpennine Express service of Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle via Manchester Victoria. Trundling through the station under the head code 5J43 from Chester to Newton Heath is 150-104. Next around the corner is 195007, working the 1025 Northern service from Leeds to Chester via Warrington Bank Quay, running 6 minutes late. Next train out for departure is 175005, running 5 minutes late with the 1031 Transport for Wales service from Llandudno to Manchester Airport. Next to arrive into the station is 802210, working the 1040 Transpennine Express service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. Next into the station is 323239, working the 1048 Northern service from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 195127, working the 1057 Northern service from Chester to Leeds via Manchester Victoria and Bradford interchange. And here comes our train in the form of 319386, working the 1101 Northern service of Liverpool Lime Street to Crewe via Manchester Airport. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.